Latest news on coronavirus around the world. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Congress approved an $8.3 billion emergency spending bill to fight the virus, but officials in several countries say the virus will keep spreading fast for some time. Sense of crisis deepens in U.S. as worldwide cases approach 100,000. The U.S. government rushed testing kits to a cruise ship quarantined off the coast of California as the number of new cases and deaths related to the coronavirus in the United States continue to rise. So far, 14 deaths have been linked to the virus, all but one in the Seattle area, with more than 200 confirmed cases across the country. Reports of cases in New Jersey, Maryland and Tennessee brought the number of states with infected patients to 19, and declared a state of emergency. Around the world, there were more than 98,000 cases and more than 3,300 deaths. A global database maintained by Johns Hopkins counts more than 53,600 recoveries from the virus. With the caseload in Europe passing 5,000 and rising fast, major conferences, trade shows, cultural events and sporting competitions have been cancelled. Officials warned that the outbreaks, the largest is in Italy, but France, Germany and Spain are also being hit hard and will continue to grow. Italy and Iran ordered all schools and universities to close. New Delhi did the same. School closures have affected roughly 300 million students globally. The number of coronavirus cases in Britain has climbed to 115, the country reported its first fatality. 5 new countries and territories, which include Bosnia and Herzegovina, Gibraltar, Hungary, Slovenia, and occupied Palestinian territory, have reported cases of COVID-19 in the past 24 hours. In anticipation for an increase in the number of COVID-19 cases, the Southeast Asia region is preparing to roll out rapid response activities by engaging with communities, procuring personal protective equipment (PPE), and ensuring laboratories have the capacity to test for COVID-19 or ship samples to global referral laboratories. The number of confirmed cases of the new coronavirus in New York State doubled onto 22, with officials announcing 2 additional cases in New York City, 8 new cases in Westchester County and 1 on Long Island. The virus's potential reach was underscored by a much larger number. The City Department of Health was monitoring 2,773 New Yorkers currently in home isolation, most of them in self-quarantine. Most of them had recently traveled to one of 5 countries where the outbreak has been most severe: China, Italy, Iran, South Korea or Japan. At least 2 New Yorkers, a health care worker who has tested positive after visiting Iran and her husband, who tested negative, are under mandatory quarantine in their Manhattan home. Saudi Arabia added the coronavirus scourge to its litany of grievances against Iran on Thursday, accusing the Iranian authorities of having recklessly spread the disease to the Arab monarchy and other countries. In a statement through the official Saudi press agency, the government said 5 confirmed Saudi cases of the coronavirus disease, known as COVID-19, were Saudi citizens who had visited Iran surreptitiously with help from Iranian officials, who had not stamped their passports. Saudi Arabia has banned its citizens from travel to Iran. This behavior poses a serious public health threat to the international community and undermines international efforts to combat COVID-19, putting many communities around the world at risk, the statement said, referring to the illness caused by the coronavirus. There was no immediate comment by Iran. Messages left with Iran's United Nations mission for a response were not returned. Iran has emerged as a hot spot for the disease in the Middle East. At least 107 people have died there, the Ministry of Health said Thursday. More than 36 officials and lawmakers have been infected, including a vice president, an advisor to Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, has died because of the virus. Iranian media reported Thursday that another official, Hossein Sheikholslam, a prominent diplomat and former ambassador to Syria, also had died of the disease. A cruise ship returning to California from Hawaii is being held off the coast of San Francisco, after officials learned that a coronavirus patient who died near Sacramento on Wednesday had traveled on the vessel last month and that 21 people on board were showing symptoms. If you have some suggested topics about health and fitness, please just leave your comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please hit the notification bell icon to receive daily YouTube videos from Health and Fitness Zone. Have a great day and see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching.